his queen and he a king, and they coming with a banger. This is that forever love, but they started as strangers. Honey, she a mommy, baby, Saucy, he a soul boy. They been putting years in it, seen each other grow more. Started from the bottom in the trenches, that's where love came. Always been 100, you would never see they love change. You know if it ain't no Saucy, ain't no honey, that's just how it is. Saucy on the rise and honey by his side. I could see him now, the new Bonnie and Clyde. They gon' build that empire and they gon' take over. But all they shit up anger, I ain't gon' even hold you.
What's up, SH Empire? It's your boy Saucy, and I'm back from another lit vlog. Guys, before we jump into this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn the post notification bells on, because we do shoutouts at the end of every single video, and y'all know you want to be shouted out, so make sure you turn the post notification bells on so you can get shouted out. Guys, as you can see, I am by myself, and no, today I'm not pranking honey. I am not doing none of that today. Today is just a straight vlog with Saucy until I get my own channel going. You dig what I'm saying? So today, I know a lot of you guys been asking about my car, like, yo, Saucy, what you have been doing to your car? What's up with it? This beeping thing is freaking annoying. So I put my seatbelt on real quick. Alright, now it stopped beeping, right? So I know you guys been asking, like, yo, Saucy, what's up? I want to see your car. Let's do some updates on your car. And I've been dropping videos with the coilovers and all that stuff. So I'm back in my 2018 Hyundai Elantra Sport 6-speed manual, and I'm about to give you guys a little review of my car. But today what I'm really doing is I'm really getting my Catless Downpipe installed. You feel me? It's about time I get this car up to par to where I like it, so I don't end up selling it. But I want you guys to comment down below, what should be my next vehicle? Should it be an Audi S5 or should it be a Jeep Trackhawk? That's where I'm at right now. That's what I'm thinking about for my next cars. So what I'm gonna do is, well, I had this part here for quite a while. I had this 845 Motorsport Catless Downpipe for a while, and I haven't put it on. It's been almost a year now, and I haven't put it on. But today, I'm putting that thing on. And stay tuned, because I got more banger vlog coming for you guys about my car, and you guys should definitely enjoy. So, like I said, today's video is just a vlog with, you know, a day with Saucy. I'm gonna be installing my Catless Downpipe with my boy Justin at his shop. Yeah, so let me just give you guys a quick run around of my car, give you a quick update of what's new and stuff like that. And I'm gonna put this camera away. We're gonna jump right into this video. What should be my next car, guys? A Jeep Trackhawk or an Audi? Let me show you guys. So last time you guys seen the car, it was on coilovers. Check this out, guys. Ow! Don't mind, my car's a mess right now. And for you guys who don't know what that is in the car, see this?
What?
Nice. Yeah, your boy's on bags now, you know what I'm saying? Alright guys, so I think that's enough for now.
Okay.
And we're gonna jump right into this video, you know what I'm saying? Because it's kind of windy outside, so we're gonna definitely jump into this video. Well, I'm gonna jump into this car, we're gonna head to the location and get this downpipe put on. So guys, I'll turn the camera off. I'll turn the camera back on once I get to the shop. Here you go, the Catless Downpipe.
Look between the axle and the engine.
Okay.
About dead center of the car.
Okay.
Straight up, you should see it.
Oh, I did see it earlier. Okay, that's not bad.
Few moments later.
2 hours
Hey, yo,
later.
Smalls, turn up on them, bruh.
Dirty baby, won't you meet me by the beach? Early baby, later you can show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit. In the city, blowing me kisses, no. 30 degrees.
And then see how loud this bitch is. There's difference, yeah. Maybe one day I'll raffle this car. Maybe one day I'll raffle it.
It was at this moment that he knew.
Yeah.
He fucked up.
Now one thing is another, so I'm here at AutoZone. I had to get some fuse because my airbags don't want to work right now. I guess the fuse blew, so we're gonna go inside AutoZone and find out what the hell really going on.
Same size. Yep, 30 amps too.
Alright, cool.
$4 though.
We got him. Hey, Justin, you wanna say what's up?
2 hours later.
Yep. And I'm in Justin's car with it. Alright guys, so I'm gonna get some rolling shots for you guys. Wow, yo, his shiftings feel awesome.
next day.
Those are my good girls. Those are good girls.
Another one come out now.
Y'all look so good. Y'all look so good. Look at the mamas.
Go, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight? 30, baby, won't you meet me?
Talk about it next day, guys. So look, guys, I ain't finished out my video. You get what I'm saying? So I got my boy Ant with me today. He about to go for a ride. He gonna give us our raw reactions. You feel me? So we gonna go for a ride, guys. Let's hop in. But don't forget, I got the beautiful lady behind the camera too. Hey.
Que lo que, Snitch Fire?
Yo, Leah, can you get out the car? Or they coming with her?
They going.
Gotta put all the catless and all the nasty stuff back inside. Go ahead, roll the windows down. Oh, mama. What's up? What's up? Go for it, my boy. Alright, you got the clutch in?
We got something like a semi. The semi, you get it started. Oh my god. Yo, it's so loud. That's nasty. It sounds even more weirder.
Yeah. Rip it up real quick.
You hear the turbo straight. Holy shit. That cold starts out.
That does sound better than yesterday when you first got home. Yeah.
It sounds like a monster. Leah, go in the back seat.
We gotta let it warm up. Man, that turbo. Oh shit. Wow. Sounds like a little. Woo! She just wants to take off.
Oh, guys, and
Yeah, you heard that.
what you think so far?
Bro, that rumble. Okay. This sounds crazy. How much I forgot how low we are.
Yo, I went under a tunnel.
Leah, get down, mama.
It's so loud. With the Catless, it sounds nasty. Bro, I can't even explain it. The rumble. It's so much different. Now look. So much better.
That shit different.
It sounds like nitrous almost. Let's see what this guy
Yeah.
Bro, the faces you get, everything.
Crazy. You're like, what the
Like nervous.
fuck? Stall game.
Yeah.
So nervous to drive it. It's not loud in it. It's so loud. It's like intimidating. It sounds more deep than it ever has. It sounds like it has so much more power.
Put the back windows up.
Huh? Back windows up.
It's just. It sounds so mean. Yikes. Holy shit. Bro, it has so much more.
Pick it up way more.
Wait till he gets it tuned.
Yeah, I should be getting tuned next week. Stay tuned for that.
Really? This is a 20-year-old. We're already at 40. Bro. Yeah, no. No. Tune?
Yeah, tune gonna be crazy.
It's so low, you scream.
I had 10 of them.
That's not the stock one.
Yeah, that's stock one.
Is it stock one?
That's a birdie. Birdie. That's a good girl.
At night.
Why ain't nobody tell me there was a bee flying by me?
Oh, shit, there's two.
Where's Leah?
Right here.
She ran too. I mean, the car's nasty. They sound so gorgeous.
Let's go, guys. So I need you guys to comment down below. I still want another car, guys. Audi or Trackhawk, but you know.
I can't believe I stalled.
You stalled twice.
I've never stalled that many times.
This post-of-a shout out goes to Lena Melanstia. I might have said your name wrong. I'm sorry. Okay, Saucy with the fresh ASAP Rockies. You dig what I'm saying? Yes, ma'am. And shout out to Compachio. Any more updates on the Elantra Sport? Too many people don't post any content. I'm back for you guys. Stay tuned for more content. I'm tuning the car next week. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn the post notification bells on.
We'll see you in the next video.
See you in the next video.
Meaning he a king and they coming with a banger. This is that forever love, but they started as strangers. Honey, she a mommy, baby, Saucy, he a soul.